So we have a rental property that we want to actually upgrade the door lock on. We have an old one here that you can't control remotely with the codes. So we got this Schlage that is compatible with our rental management software. So it'll automatically be able to change the codes, also be able to track this through my phone and everything, be able to see if the door's locked, be able to change the codes manually and everything myself from a distance. So let's go ahead and see how easy this is to set up. First off, I'm having to go ahead and take off the old deadbolt completely, so even the latch on the inside as well. And then I just put in the Schlage deadbolt here. We're gonna put in a couple of the screws here to secure this in. So it does come with all the hardware that you're gonna need. All right, so next we're gonna install the keypad. We're gonna go in through the front and make sure that this wire right here goes underneath your bolt. So we're gonna slip that underneath. And then there's a metal part in the center that you're gonna wanna make sure actually goes through the deadbolt whenever you're putting it in here. So it should look flush up against the door with no gap if you've done it correctly like that. It looks really clean so far. So what we need to do now is secure this with a couple screws down here, and that'll be the next step. So you do actually need to install this faceplate here. It does tell you the top direction, and then you're going to use these bigger screws. Make sure that they line up with the faceplate on the front with the holes that are on the back of this. So you may just have to kind of feel around until it clicks, locks in, and then you can start getting the screw started, and then you can finish it off. Okay, we got our faceplate screwed on. So next we need to go ahead and put on the actual deadbolt from the inside so that we can lock it from the inside. So a couple things, we'll want to go ahead and attach these together. They fit together here, and then we'll want to make sure that this actually lines up with our deadbolt component here in the center. So first, let's go ahead and attach these. Might be flipped. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, tuck this wire in to where it's not in the way, and then make sure that that lines up there in the center. Okay, and then once that's lined up, once again, it'll sit flush against the door. And then what you're gonna do is remove this component here. And under this part, you'll actually see not only the master codes and the user codes on a tag, you also will have the battery pack and then 2 screw holes where we will put the final screws for this. Next, go ahead and install the batteries and slide the cover back on. So you'll pull out the battery holder, install the batteries, and then put the whole thing back into the inside. I have to say this is probably the easiest and most convenient setup. You do go through a basic setup with pairing with your Wi-Fi to make sure that you can actually access this lock, see the status of it, and actually check the battery levels and everything too. But man, this one was actually easier to install than some of the other ones before I've done in the past, and it has more features. So I'm really excited for the Schlage. I think I'm going to go ahead and get a second one for another property that we have. And otherwise, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope that this helps you.